Hey folks, Harley and Vstrom on. I'm gonna make a video. I got a couple of new parts put on the V-Strom, and if you're interested in a ride, hang on.
A Harley and a V-Strom rolling down the road, adventure in our hearts wherever we roam. Hit subscribe and come along.
Hey, Harley and V-Strom back on, and I got something for the V-Strom. What do y'all think it is? Can you tell? Can you tell what it is? Now we gotta get some space. Whoo, hoo, hoo. I don't need that. Well, they packed it well. I will have to say that. Whoo, there she is, all blacked out. What do you think? Is it gonna look good on there? I guess we'll have to find out. All right, folks, I'm back on here. And I have already broke these loose on there. So we're gonna use the ratchet to get the rest of them out of there. It's got little, kind of like some little nuts on the back side, so. And a bracket on the back side. But let's get these out of here. There's that bracket that was just on the back side. Let me sit these down so I can put all that hardware in. Back on. Gotta undo the latch portion. And there she is, the latch, right there. Set this down. And that's one of the other brackets, but there you go. That's the old windshield coming off. All right, folks, I'm back on here, and there was a few parts that was a little tedious because you got all these bushings and spacers, and it's kind of hard when everybody knows you only got two hands. And but I think I got her. Just finish and tighten these up by hand. So. Well, let me know, what do you think? Does it look better this way? It didn't look better the old way. Dude, I like that darked out windscreen compared to the clear one. And this one is a little bit taller. Hang on a minute. Finish getting this one. I'll come back and make sure they're all snug. There's the stock one. It would have sat about like that. So, see, I got 3 or 4 more inches on that. Now that's in the low position. I haven't tightened this up yet. We'll see what it looks like. I'll take that a second. I didn't want to show all the tedious stuff. It was, I didn't use no bad language, but well, there's a few times I wanted to. Trying to slide those bushings in, and had to, use a little bit of grease on them. in the tallest position right there. That's pretty tall. Still, once again, 34 inches taller. And that's high position. That's quite a bit tall. Well, I may not be riding that thing too much at night with that dark one, but anyway, I just wanted to give you a gist of it. I'll get that sticker off, get it cleaned up, and I'll give you an after shot of it once it's all cleaned and pretty. But anyway, I'll get back on here in a minute. Folks, I'm back on, and I got her all cleaned up, and I'm gonna turn this camera around, that way y'all can see what it looks like. Let me know in the comments, is that a good upgrade, or did you like it better when it was just clear? I don't know, I like it dark. That'll be that one. But anyway, let me know, y'all like it or not. I'll get back on here a little later. Okay, this is the before shot with the stock windshield on the V-Strom. That's how she looks. Stock windshield on the Vstrom 1050. Okay, well there we are with the finished product. Got that clear windshield off, which was the stock one. We got this new Puig. It's a touring windshield. It's about, I'd say, 3 to 4 inches taller than what the stock one was. But anyway, I like that dark. Anyway, thanks for watching.